Welcome again, dear learners. Today we focus on daily English you can use right away. Each short story will help you listen more clearly, speak more confidently, and think faster in English. Step by step, you will build a stronger habit of learning. Many students deal with the same meal problem every day. They bring lunchboxes and complain about the boring taste. Nam, a second-year student, wanted to change this habit. He was tired of the monotony of box food and was not sure about its safety. He wanted something more real and believed cooking could be a good experiment to try. At first, Nam was full of excitement. He made a menu and went to the market by himself. The fresh colors of vegetables gave him strong enthusiasm, but when he paid the bill, the total expense was very high. He understood that this new choice was not cheap at all for a student. One home meal with meat, oil, and spices cost almost 100,000 dong. A normal lunchbox only cost 30,000. The gap was clear and easy to see. Cooking turned into a burden instead of a way to save money. Nam received a hard lesson about his budget and this financial mistake. This story shows how difficult it is to keep cooking. For students, it is not always lasting. What he hoped for turned into a conflict with reality. Nam felt upset and even angry with himself. At last, he learned he must keep a balance between his health and his wallet. Lunchboxes are common for many reasons. In dorms, students cannot cook because of school rules. Rooms are small, and shopping can be hard and tiring. The school environment pushes students to eat out. This becomes an important factor in their lives. Street food is seen as the simple solution. Time is also a problem. A full schedule leaves little chance to cook. Classes and jobs fill the day. Many feel reluctant to spend more hours in the kitchen. Cooking feels like a burden. On the other hand, buying a lunchbox gives quick relief after a long day. Cooking for one person feels boring. Cleaning after makes it worse. Students enjoy the company of friends at cheap stalls. Eating together brings interaction and happy moments. It also reduces exam stress. In this way, eating out is not only food but also social life. So lunchboxes and street food show how students adapt. They build a daily routine around them. This choice gives a sense of stability. It also keeps them connected with their friends. For many, this is the most practical way to live. First-year students often bring pots, pans, and food from home. Their family tells them to cook for themselves, but the habit soon diminishes after a few weeks. The first momentum disappears when they face real life. Cooking needs daily discipline. Without it, the habit will slowly fade. Shared kitchens cause many problems. Splitting costs and duties often makes conflict. Soon there are arguments about cleaning or money. Each person counts their own effort higher. This weakens their cooperation. Cooking together loses its fun. Street food is easy to find and always open. It is cheap and abundant with many stalls near campus. The big variety of taste makes students curious and happy to try different dishes every day. Ready food gives ease because no shopping or cleaning is needed. The attraction is hard to resist, so slowly students lose the will to cook at home. The fall of home cooking shows a quick transition from energy to laziness. Eating out becomes a normal rule for many students. The kitchen, that was once full of sound and smell, becomes quiet. It turns into a symbol of things they gave up. This is also a form of neglect, not only of cooking, but of healthy habits. Cooking by yourself has many strong points. It gives control over nutrition and makes sure food is safe. When students cook together, the room has a warm atmosphere. The act of sharing food builds closeness between friends. It also creates trust that may last beyond university life. But the weak points are also clear. The first investment in spices and oil is expensive. Cooking takes much time for preparing and cleaning. These hidden costs make students tired and push them away from the kitchen. They believe eating out is more effective because it saves energy. Lunchboxes and street food save minutes and money. They bring speed that matches a busy student lifestyle. But the food is often poor in quality. There is concern about hygiene in small stalls. Bad meals can hurt health and lead to sickness if eaten too often. So the best way is fair evaluation. No single option works for all. Students need good judgment before choosing. Every situation is different, depending on money and schedule. A mix of cooking and eating out may give better balance for body and mind. Every choice brings give and take. Student life is full of compromise. Both failed cooking and easy meals are part of the same experience. Each one gives a lesson that helps them grow. These moments soon become a warm memory of university years. Eating together also has social value. Shared meals bring unity. Talking and joking at cheap stalls make strong bonding. Such times give connection between friends. This connection gives strength that helps them face stress and exams. The meal problem teaches real thinking. Cooking is nice, but often costly. Lunchboxes are cheap, but sometimes poor. This is the truth of student life. Making good choices shows growth. It prepares them for bigger responsibilities after school. In the end, student meals are more than food. They are special parts of life. Later graduates will remember both the quick boxes and the failed cooking. These are timeless and cannot be replaced. They will always bring a smile when recalled. Remember, language is like a friend. The more time you spend with it, the closer you become. Talk to it, listen to it, and enjoy the moments together. That is how confidence grows. Be gentle with yourself. Learning is not a race, it is a journey. Thank you for walking this path with me, and let us continue in the next video.